Okay, this is the audio only demo. So let's do it. Creator here and the joiner, the receiver here. When I click in create the room, this is important. I now can choose to share or not the microphone here. Don't share, never share, not now. Or just click here in share the selected. In this case, this is the selected. So let's click here. And here, this is the invitation. As you can see, there is a indication here that you are sharing the microphone. Now let's copy this offer, the invitation, and here in join, again, this is supposed to be in another computer, so the same question. Let's click in share and then paste the offer, the invitation. The green here is the answer, so let's copy and send it back to the creator, and OK. So again, this symbol here means you are sharing the microphone, and this is the way you connect the audio only demo.